and right now we are running. I has been running all the way from there. It's very long way. No, I has been running like this. Woo! I just take off my jacket because when you are running, as you can see, I have my running shoes. When you are running, you need breathe. Your body needs to breathe, and that's important also when the sun is outside. Even if it's cold a little bit, your body have to breathe when you are running. So I recommend to you to do this. Don't put too much clothes, just something like this in your body. As you can see, I have my running shoes, I have all that I need. And then right now I'm just going for a walk so I can talk a little bit with you about today. Has been a nice day. Just breathing prana, breathing the beautiful of oxygen in the nature. As you can see here behind me, it's a beautiful farm. As you can see there is some beautiful cow. And that's beautiful also when you go for a walk, that you see the nature when you are running, because also when you are running you have to walk a little bit, and then if you feel like you need to rest, you walk a little bit and then you start again and go for a run. Remember that when you are running, it's not recommended to do fasting, because running is a little bit you will give a lot of energy, and you will need something to eat. So you just eat raw vegan food, nature food, like I'm doing right now, just eating vegan food. And I am a little bit flexible, because sometimes if we have some parties or I have family time, we just cannot tell them, no, I cannot eat because I'm vegan. Just be flexible in your life, and that will keep a balance. Normally I have a vegan life, but when I am going outside, or I have family, or I have to be together with some party or something, you just do this. You just try to do this to be part of that people and give your nice energies. So continue raising the frequencies, and that was for today. Have a nice day. The sun is brilliant today, of course. It's very brilliant today. And then it's very important. It's very important. As you can see here, it's a nice place where it's working. There is a farm. There is some animals here behind me. As you can see, it's some nice and beautiful animals that they are watching me right now here. Hello. And they are eating. Come with me. Hi. Hi. That is Yay. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. That's beautiful. You are so beautiful to me. 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 Respect animals. We don't have to eat them. We just enjoy them. They have very good qualities of energies. They have frequencies of love, and they don't want to hurt anyone. They are very nice. So that was for today, and have a nice day. Continue raising your frequencies.
And the babies?